Contamination.
Let's talk about it. I already have a feeling this is going to be a two-part series. I'm going to try to explain like where contamination is found, what it is, all that stuff in this series, and then how to prevent it in the next or at the end of the video. Also, my cats have decided it's playtime, so if you hear thumping or see a cat run across the room, contamination is everywhere. We have Malassezia globosa in our hair, which causes dandruff. We have Staphylococcus, which is staph on our skin. Cladosporium is all in our air. It's one of the most popular contaminations. It's basically everywhere, and that's why it's so hard to tissue culture at home, especially if you don't have a lab. All right, so I just wrote my name and the date on this. We're gonna open it really quick, and we're gonna come back in 2 weeks. And as you can see, there's nothing in it right now. But in 2 weeks there will be, can guarantee. Just like plants multiply and grow in these flasks, bacteria and fungi also can grow very rapidly in these. Matter of fact, both fungi and bacteria grow so much faster than plants do, and that's why they take over like this one. Here we have a plant I didn't clean well enough, and here we have a particle from the air. The reason why you don't see me touch these in my videos is because the bacteria from my fingers can crawl up in here and contaminate the cultures if it's not properly sealed. I found that these are less likely than these when unsealed to get contamination from my fingers, but as a precautionary measure, I don't touch them. The kind without a screw top like these, I tend to not use because I've noticed a much higher contamination rate. They have to be sealed, unlike these. Preventing contamination is such a vigorous and elaborate process. It's something that I really didn't understand how elaborate it was until I started tissue culturing. Like, nobody seems to talk about it, and it's like the biggest issue out there. It's like the hardest thing to do. We're gonna get into it next video.